Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Kate.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Thanks.
Where are you going?
I'm just walking around. And enjoying the sun.
Yes, the weather is so nice today.
How about you? Where are you going?
I'm going to visit my grandma.
Is her house near here?
Yes, it's only a 10-minute walk from my house.
You are lucky. I miss my grandparents too.
Where are they now?
They are living in San Francisco.
Oh, so far away. Oh, sorry, Kate, but I have to go now.
Okay, see you. Goodbye.
Bye, Kate.